there lived a short-tempered lady in Delhi. She would often scold her husband and repeatedly hit him with her slippers. So, mister, did I not tell you not to keep the vessels here? It has to be kept in its place. How did it come here, huh?
I made a mistake. It won't happen again.
Mistake? So correct your mistake immediately.
Yes.
When will this man ever understand? He has to be told about everything. Listen, you come here first.
Yes, I'm coming.
When will you clear the floor? After it becomes noon.
I'll clear it. I'm doing it right now.
See, if I am here, the house is running so smoothly. If I had left it to you, then this house will never be the same. It's good that I have the slipper with me.
Oh, God.
Bend more.
I'm bending.
Nothing is going to go wrong. Bend. Hey. This is a gift from the deity of my mother's house.
Yeah, I understand.
It's because of her that you are here.
But when did I ever deny it? Oh my God. Hey, slowly. A little softly, dear. What are you doing?
Thus this woman, under the pretext of deity's gift, regularly used to beat her husband Daulat with slippers. And poor Daulat quietly took the beating. Similarly, one day, this lady, angered by her husband, beat him up soundly. Daulat too, like always, did not utter a word. Seeing this, his neighbor Mahipati took pity on Daulat. On seeing Daulat alone at home, Mahipati entered his house.
Daulat, why do you get beaten like this? Why don't you ever object to this?
But friend, she beats me for the welfare of this house. She beats me not out of anger, but out of love.
Out of love? What do you mean?
You know the slipper that she has? The deity of her mother's home has given it to her. Without getting beaten by that slipper, this house can never be in proper shape. This the deity herself has told her.
Look, you are doing all the household chores. Over and above, you are only getting hit. I can't understand this. Why don't you find a solution to this?
What solution will I get?
Daulat, you meet Birbal.
What can Birbal do in this? This is our personal matter. Why would he interfere in this?
Look, Daulat, you are a man. And if your wife does not even treat you as a man, it is atrocious. If you meet Birbal, he can guide you properly.
Daulat met Birbal and explained the situation in his house. Hearing this, Birbal said to Daulat,
Daulat, there is no deity which can give a gift to commit injustice. Whether there is any truth in the story of the deity of your wife's mother's house giving her such a gift, we need to find out, okay? Now you do exactly as I tell you to do. Listen, just tell her.
Yeah. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Hello, are you listening?
Oh, have you woken her? Come here as fast as you can. See what I have got.
What has happened to you? Why are you worshipping this iron rod?
But this is not an ordinary rod.
Then?
Last night, Lord Hanuman had appeared in my dream. He was pleased with me and gave this iron rod as a gift to me.
What have we to do with this?
Oh, like your deity has given you a slipper? The same way is this rod. Like when you get angry and I get beaten with a slipper, because of which our house is in proper condition. In the same way, when I get angry, you have to get beaten with this rod. Yes, by this our house will become prosperous and will get wealth equal to that of the emperor. You can also strut around like a queen.
But whoever told this to you?
What do you mean who? Lord Hanuman himself told this to me. Come on, let's start using this rod immediately.
No, please. Please don't hit me. I will never get angry with you. And the gift from the deity is also a lie. It's a lie.
Lie?
Yes. My mother told me. She told me to do this to keep you in control.
So that's it. But this rod of mine is real. You understand?
I will never get angry with you again, and I will not hit you with the slipper again.
It's okay. It's okay. Now move out. I have to sweep the house.
Oh, please don't. I will do all the chores from today. You sit comfortably with your rod.